So hello guys, this is the second part of my tutorial on how to use Microsoft Access 2007. In this part, I will teach you how to put a data on a database. So let's open our Microsoft Access 2007 and let's select the previous database which we created, which is practice. So we have some changes to make on a table person. So let's go to design view and add the foreign key, which is the course ID, number, then save. Next, let's right click this course table and open. In here we will put the data that we desired on the table. So let's put in our course, for example, BS Infosys. Next, the course ID will automatically generate itself because it is in auto number. Then our second course will be BS in CS. That's it. Control S, and this time we put some data on our course table. So open on the person table instead. So let's click open. Let's put name, for example, first name, my name, of course, middle name, dikolongan, course ID. So we will select which course which we desired, and I choose BS Infosys. Its course ID is 1, so I'll put course ID 1. Next, let's put some name, for example, first name, in course ID. In here we'll put another course which is BSCS, so course ID 2, and that's it. Save. We will save, and that will be the second part of our video tutorial. On the next part, I will teach you how to view and how to connect the tables in the database data of it. So thank you.